In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get all of the widgets from Facebook on your lock screen. What you need to do is firstly go to settings and make sure under general that your software is up to date, and it would work if it's after iOS 16. So that's when they added widgets. So now you can just go back and scroll down to wallpaper under accessibility. So click on wallpaper and you see your current wallpaper and lock screen, and on the lock screen section, as you can see below, there is a customize button. So click on customize, you see your current lock screen, and under the hour there is the option to add widgets. So click on the little plus under the hour, and then you can just scroll down until you see the Facebook app. Click on Facebook, and now there is a birthday at glance, top updates, total reach, and all of those widgets. So let's choose this one for example. Now it's added to your lock screen, and when you click done, it will be automatically saved. That's basically how you add Facebook widgets to your lock screen. See you in the next video. Like and subscribe. Bye.